Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jessica, and if this is your first time, thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if this is your first time watching my video, I'm a YouTuber. I make hair, I make wigs, I make braids, and my channel is just everything about hair. So please subscribe to my channel and watch this video and watch the rest of my video. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you. So the first thing you have to do when you want to make this hairstyle is just do exactly what I did here. I use my chalk to mark where I'm going to put my wig. You see this where I have this mark here, that's where my wig is going to go. I'm going to sew my wig round. This is where I am so far. As you can see, I used thread and needles, to sew to attach to sew it to my net. So and they are very neat and tightly secured to my net. And because when you're making yours, make sure that they are tightly secured. Just make sure that they are tightly secured to your net, so that they can actually last you for a very long time. I can guarantee you that this wig, you take it for a minimum of 1 year. So this is why you have to tightly secure your extension to your nets. so I've actually shampooed and conditioned the hair. So the next step is to dry the hair. We have to blow dry the hair before we start straightening it. This is the last stage. I've already blow dried. It's not very dried. I do not want it to be too dry because I'm going to straighten it. So this is the last stage, guys. So I have my flat iron. So what I will just do is take this up and start from the down. So I'm going to start this process from the down. So I'll take this up. So guys, I have literally finished this hair. I just love it. I just love the way it came out. Now let me apply some hair cream. Some hair oil, rather. I'm going to apply some oil. I love how it came out. And I love this bang here. This bang just makes me happy. I need to like straighten it more. I think I look nice. Please, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll be doing more wigs, more styles for you, so you can do yours as well at home. I think I look nice. I don't think I look bad on this hair. Oh, I look like a superstar. Thank you for watching these videos. See you on my next video. Bye.